Hey everyone, I'm Jared, and today I've got a very important announcement to make about the MaxJax Portable 2 Post Lift. It's awesome! If you've been keeping up with our content for the last year, you already know that MaxJax joined the BenPack family. If you didn't know, now you do. And since BenPack acquired MaxJax, we've worked hard to take that great platform and make it even better. Here's the thing though, we just have so much great new information to share on it, this channel might not be big enough for the both of us. So we've decided to launch a channel just for MaxJax. This will be the place for you to get all of the latest news, product updates, tech tips, specials, promotions, and so much more. We'll link the channel down below and anywhere else we can cram it in this video. And at the end, maybe too? Yeah? Yeah, there too. Now, a little insider tip. I happen to know there's a video coming to the MaxJax channel featuring how to save big on your MaxJax lift. But if you want to know more, I suggest going over to the MaxJax YouTube channel, subscribing, set those notifications to on, and be first in line to get the latest in MaxJax content. We'll see you over there.